your ice cream. Oh, hi, Catboy. Hi. What's your name? Oh, I'm Peanut. Nice to meet you. Want to shake hands? Yes. Ow! I'm so sorry, Catboy. Are you safe? I'm fine. To show you that I'm very thankful for that, I'm going to give you free ice cream for today. Oh my gosh, really? Thank you. Just chillaxing in my bed. Oh shoot, I fell. There's a diddy-da. Hey Catboy, where are you? I saved you, I've got you. Oh my gosh, you saved my life. You know what this means? Oh no, are you gonna call the police? Please don't call the police. No, I'm gonna honor you with a free ice cream for today. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Hi, Catboy, what you doing? Isn't this your dad's ice cream truck? Yeah, I'm running it for my dad today. He wants me to get all the expenses and all the money. Oh my gosh, really? That's so cool. Let me see what ice creams you have. So I want that pink one. Oh, I'm sorry, Catboy. Quick, I'll save you. You don't understand how happy I am. Thank you for saving me. I'll give you a free ice cream. Oh, thank you. I hope this is my last customer. Hi. Oh my gosh, Catboy, what you doing? Isn't this your dad's ice cream truck? Yeah, I'm covering for him today. Look, it's bouncy. Oh my god, Catboy! You saved my life. I'm going to give you a free ice cream. Oh, thank you. Time to go home to my father. Let me fix my car. Ouch! Oh my god! Are you okay? Yes. Oh, hi, Dad. Hi, where's my expenses? Oh, I'll get them. Wait, I didn't get any money. What? How many people came to you? 4. Why did you not get any money? I give them for free. What? You give them my ice cream for free? You know how expensive that is for me to pay for that? Oh my gosh, you are grounded. I'm taking away my ice cream truck. Get in my car now. I understand, Dad. I didn't mean it. Get in the car, I said. I'm coming, and I'm taking you away to a cave. I'm joking. I'm taking you to find them stupid people that got free ice cream. Free ice cream, free ice cream, free ice cream. Oh, yeah. Did you get from my son earlier? Yes, of course I did. Give me my money. I'll rob. Get in the car, quick! Boom, boom, boom. Free ice cream, free ice cream. Anyone want ice cream? Oh, hi, I'm Peanut. Hi, did you order for my son today? Yes. Give me my money. Free ice cream, free ice cream. Hi, can I have an ice cream? Did you purchase for my son today? Yeah. Give me my money. Free ice cream, free ice cream. Can I have free ice cream? Ha, gotcha. You're coming to Santa Claus with me. You're on the bad list. You stole people's money when your son said it was okay. That is mean. You're cruel. Go, Catboy, quick. Drive away from your dad. Thank you. You are going to Santa Claus jail.